Hello everyone, this is Sunglory, and this is Mr. Ritesh from Crystal Industry. He's been working with us for 10 years. Hello, Mr. Ritesh.
Hello.
How do you know Sunglory?
Sunglory was introduced to us in 2014 by a good friend, Best Products. Yes.
And what's your suggestions to us, or what you want to tell us?
We want to tell you that we have benefited a lot with your company, your friendship. We have grown, we have modernized, and Sunglory actually helped us realize that we need to improve, and we have.
I want to ask you, you've been working with Sunglory for 10 years.
Yes.
Is there anything interesting stories happen during this 10 years?
We have too many interesting stories, but we have met many of Sunglory people. Elena was the first person who we were introduced to and who explained to us why we need to modernize. We have met a lot of staff who has come to Kenya. We have been here now 5 times to meet Sunglory, and every time we have met new people, we have been introduced to new products and new machinery. I mean, that's a lot I can say about Sunglory.
Thank you.
Thank you.